Oh my god. Sachi, do you have some time right now?
Yeah, of course. What's going on? You guys look worried.
We are worried actually.
What? What happened?
We have a presentation and assignment for this week.
Oh, really? Which subject?
For basic English.
So what seems to be the problem here?
The problem is we don't really know about what we should present.
And we feel like our slides very still bad.
Okay, then I guess you guys should just calm down and sit first and let me just check what's going on. But have you guys read the instruction?
We've read the instruction many times.
But we still feel confused about the topic.
We've tried to divide the work.
But somehow it doesn't connect well.
That's totally normal, and I've been there before, and I know it's like hard for like presentation, because I mean you have to present like what you've learned, so that's why it's like hard.
Really?
Yeah, of course, like I experienced that way before too, and I completely understand how you feel.
We are also afraid we'll make mistakes when speaking.
And we're not that confident with our English, to be honest.
Well, if that's the case, I can definitely help you out with that. Yeah, so basically I've actually done like similar presentation to that one you guys have right now before in last semester.
Oh, seriously?
So you
Yeah.
already know how it works.
Yeah, I've prepared like similar presentation to you guys. So I mean, I know like some things you guys should do or you guys should not do. But I've learned from my mistakes, of course.
Oh yeah, what kind of mistakes?
Like I put too much text on the slides instead of having the main important ones. Like usually you have to put like the important ones first and then like the detail later, but I just put like too much on it, and then I just memorized everything instead of actually like understand it, because sometimes you have to understand it more instead of memorizing it.
I see.
That's what we are doing now.
Well, yeah, I mean I've done that, so and it didn't work well, so I guess we should fix that.
Oh, okay.
So what should we do instead?
So, first of all, you should really understand the main idea of your presentation. And you really don't need to memorize everything, but instead, you need to understand it, just like what I've said before.
But what if we forget what to say?
That's totally okay, because I've learned that understanding is more important than memorizing, right? And then also, I've used simple keywords on my slides to help me speak naturally. So instead of like saying what you've remembered, you just like say it out loud what you understand.
Oh, that makes sense.
We haven't tried that.
We've been writing full sentence.
I mean, yeah, I've totally done that before, and just like what I've said before, I think you should guys just write the important ones instead of like everything that you guys already put together. So just put the important ones, and then you understand it more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Right.
Okay.
Alright then, so I'm just gonna check your guys slides and I'll see what's the problem. Okay, so it's
Okay.
simple present, right? Roles, usage, and examples. That's good. Introduction. Okay, I think you guys need to like kind of like change this for a bit, because it's like low-key too much. Okay. Like, who made this one? Is it you? Or together?
I'll go first.
Together.
You made it together, right?
Are you really? Man, bro.
Alright.
Okay.
Then let me just like fix this one, because like it's not that hard. It's okay, that's the introduction. Let me just read it now. So the present is an English tense that we use every day, and it's a verb tense. It's mainly formed by using in the voice form. So maybe when you guys like present it, you guys like just say this one like until here, and then you can read this part, and then the example you can like just divide it for like 2 people. You can read this
Who's
one,
gonna
and
read that part?
maybe you can read this part until like
Mhm.
here, and then he can read like this
Okay.
one, and then this one is not that important
Okay.
Start from you.
because it's just example. Okay, next slide is different forms of simple present. Okay, this one is good because you just put the important one basically. Okay, affirmative sentence is basic sentence, subject plus base verb. For example, I studied English today. That's all good. Okay, we move to the next one. Negative sentence. Okay, this one is also not too long, which is actually good. I just need to delete this one because it's kind of like too much on this one. But it's not as bad as the first one, of course, because let's just put it like here. There we go. Okay, so negative sentence when it's something negatively powered, structure is subject plus do or does plus not plus base verb. An example, this is I would not like tomatoes. Okay, that's already good. Next one. I forgot. I mean, you have like 3 like points here, right? So I think you can read the first one, and also you can read the second one, and the third one is only examples, so you guys can do like just decide which one should read it, or if you don't even say it, it's totally okay. But sometimes it's important to say examples because like people has to know what the example of the material. Next question sentence. You have 3. Okay, I don't need to fix anything from this because it's very like not too short but not too long, but also like good to understand. Okay, the first one is the form to use when you make a question. Structure is do or does, subject base verb, and so it is. Yeah, the example is also like pretty good. I mean, it's not that much, but it's enough to make people understand. Okay, next one. Third person singular, the speaker is something different than the speaker and the listener. So like it works every day. We don't need to fix this one. Spelling rules. Okay, that's already good. I just need to add a tiny bit for the example because I think like you need more for the example. Okay, that's all good. Using simple present in daily life, I think this is the one that you need to understand more because like if you say if you like try to explain something in daily life, I do think you need to like explain it like immediately to the person instead of reading, because it's like example in daily life, and of course you need to read it, right? Okay, that's all good. Habits are action we do regularly. For example, I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Shows repeated actions. Routines are regular daily activities. She goes by school bus, packs, and then
Opinions.
We can.
Okay. Do you guys want to practice like like how to do the presentation, or at least just like the pronunciation of the things?
Yeah, sure. It will help us more.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, we don't need to do it that much, but we can try with this one. Tiffany, you can read it until here. Then you can read it from and to verbs. Okay. So you start.
Okay. Let me do the first one. Simple present is an English tense that we use every day. It is a verb tense.
And is mainly formed by using the base form of the verb.
Okay, that's good. We should try the next one. I'll tell you if like something sounds off or anything, just to make it like sounds good for the professor, of course.
Okay.
Try to do okay, this one. Now Asan read it until habits, and then Tiffany from routines to life.
Okay.
Dari sini.
Okay.
Sorry, from that one.
Using simple present in daily life.
Yeah.
Now I want tell you about how simple present is used to talk about habits.
Routine facts and opinions, which are the main ways to use these tense in everyday life.
Okay, I think we should do like one more to check if you
Yeah,
guys are ready or not,
Of course.
and I'll tell you like what to do, like, or what to change a little bit. But I mean, it's all good right now. You don't need to change like a lot of things.
Maybe a simple present is a middle.
Yeah, it's not too hard, of course. It's pretty easy.
So.
Yeah, so let's try maybe this one. I mean, Tiffany can try habits until here, and then Asan can try.
Routinities.
Okay.
Habits are action we do regularly. For example, I wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Show repeated action.
Now, you try.
Okay. Routinities. Routines are regular daily activities. For example, she goes to school by bus or car.
Okay, that's good. But maybe when you read this, it should be only like routines. So it's not routinities, because it says routine here, right? I mean, you're the one that write it. Okay, that's a good practice of reading the slides, and I'm pretty sure you guys are almost ready.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's like
much.
90%.
Us.
Of course, of course.
Honestly, thank you so much for helping us. You've explained everything very clearly.
Yes, you share about your experience with us. Yes, you share your experience with us.
Yeah, of course. I'm really glad that I'm able to help you guys.
Yes, you explain everything very carefully.
Yeah, I mean, I've been helped by other people too, so that's how I learn it from.
We really appreciate your time and your hard work. Actually, you didn't have to help us this much, but yeah, thank you so much.
It's totally okay, of course.
Thank you.